So this is the ads manager niya. Ads manager kasi mama-maximize mo ang feature talaga ang Facebook ads kasi tanan pwede mo makontrol, no? Halimbawa, targeting audience, targeting locations, and other feature nga may dahil Facebook nga waray ha boosting, no? So, halimbawa, mag-create kita ng ads, no? May da ka mga objective dahil yung makikita din eh. And then, aton course, i-explain ko iyo kung ah ano yun hira nga mga objectives, no? Pero kung gusto mo talaga makabenta, ang boosting kasi na bilong iya engagement. So, more or less, engagement, pag sumuran kita ng engagement is talagang mag-engage sa diya mga audience nga depende na imong target audience, no? Pero it can't guarantee sales or clients or kung ano man imo goal kasi niya nga ni ipo-provide is engagement only. So kung anong papabuhat mo kang Facebook, mo lalati dito ibubuhaton. So kung ang imo negosyo or ang imo goal is to have sales, makabaligya ka, you need to select the sales, no? Then you click continue. Hindi natin di diha campaign, kailangan natin i-rename halimbawa di sa training course campaign. And then you will put some date, March 20. Tapos dili buying auction, tama na wala mo nalalabtan nila and then campaign objective is sales. Now we will not use advantage campaign since this is advantage campaign budget since this for testing only. No? And then you will click next. So this is the full feature of uh, ads manager. Waray kasi ini dito boosting ito din eh. No? So, pwede mo get rename ti name, no? Bawat you're targeting the people with business, no? Butang mo that business. And then, yung destination is message destination since messaging campaign na natin bubuhaton. And then, did you have Facebook page? You will choose your page. Na ano nga page ito mo gamiton? This moment, Tacloban Freelancer. And then, kontrolado mo budget, no? Pwede ka mag-run up 200 pesos per day. Okay? And hindi pwede ka there magbutang in date, no? But usually ako kasi pag nag-ads ako, pinaparun ko yan 12 a.m. So, since 21 yan na, dapat mag-run hiya on 22, 12 a.m. So, babaliwan ko yan 22 and then 12 a.m. dapat yan. Yeah, para bukas ka agahon, pwede na yan mag-run. And then, didi, I can select specific location like Tacloban City. So, tanan yung makakita at akong ads, mga taga Tacloban City la. And then, may dito mga sobra-sobra kasi nakadepende ito na air radius. So, makikita ninyo yung circle. So, aside from Tacloban City around, no, pwede pa makakita ang mga taga Burawin, Alang-alang, Salcedo. And then here, I will click next. Tapos, dito naman, bubutang natin kung ano atong creative gagamiton, no? So, basically, ad section, itpakian na lang din kung ano mo ipapakita ha, client. So, iniya, halimbawa, image ta ako ni Butang, no? Tapos didi naman kung mag-scroll lang kita ubos, no, didi ako mag-edit akon uh, creative. Kaya halimbawa, tinan ako caption didi. Makukuha ko lang akong caption, wait. So, halimbawa, adihiya. For sample purposes only. So, i-click ko yung set up creative and then image. Tapos didi ha primary text, ibubutang ko na akong caption. And then didi naman, headline, ibubutang ko lang enroll now. And then, I will click next. The send message is the default kung naka-messaging campaign ka, no? Then, I will click next. Tapos, i-upload ko na din yung akong image, no? I will click upload and then ma-display din eh. Then, you will select it na lang. And then, click next. Tapos, next. Then, next. And then, ma-add na yan din. So, kikita mo mga titsurat, yung papakita kan ha mga audience nimo. Okay? The description is optional. Pwede mong butangan, pwede dire, no? Call to action is default is send message. So, pwede mo valuean in any gusto nimo call to actions. But for me, it's send message. Audience message template, pwede ka maghimulo atin imo or kung may existing ka na, pwede ka magbutang yung existing nimo kung ano mo garuyag. No? Or kung may nahimo ka na, pwede mo ibutang gida. Kung waray pa, pwede ka mag-create, no? Just click the edit. Tapos butang wala dida, enroll now. Yan. So, pwede mo tanggalon it iba or kung may ka pa ibang question nga pwede butang, pwede mangyapon. Pero kung wala na, just enroll now. So, amenity it's already the right side. Tapos pangalan, naranan mo lang, enroll. Then, I will click save. After ito, wala naman na ibang bubuhaton din kundi i-publish. So, kung na-publish mo na, amo na magiging itsura niya. So, may ka campaign for training course, niya, and may ka ad set for business, and may ka image for ad level, no? Kung nakikita mo niya, amo na magiging itsura niya. Yan. Okay? So, for now, processing na ito niya, and then pag na-approve ng Facebook, magiging schedule na ito niya. And then, mag-run na niya for niyan nga kaagahon, no? O buwas ng kaagahon. So, that's the difference between boosting and ads manager. Kasi ads manager, ma-maximize mo talaga ang features ng Facebook ads. And as ito tamo nagtutuddo, diha among training course. So, kung interesado ka, click the enroll below, no? Or i-click and learn more para makakadto ka enrollment page namon. And then, makahabol ka tamon enrollment program, no? So, see you inside.